right, the last example that we're going to look at today, we're going to look at a perimeter problem. But unlike the last few perimeter problems that we've seen in the previous sections, here we're going to have to do a little bit of setup. So we are told in this problem, the length of a rectangle is 1 foot longer than double the width. The perimeter of the rectangle is 44 feet. Find the length of each side. So unlike the last few problems, we're actually given a story here. And what we want to do is we want to identify what are our width, what are our length, using variable expressions, and then use those expressions to actually create an equation. So one thing we need to do is we need to decide which of these sides is going to be equal to x, right? Because we need variables in our problem. So we need to figure out who x is going to be. Now, it doesn't always work this way, but it works a lot of the time. If we look at the first sentence in our problem and we look at the last word, generally we can choose that to represent our single variable of x. So our width is the last word in that first sentence. We're comparing our length to our width. So I'm going to let our width be x. Right? Then if we reread that first sentence, the length of a rectangle is 1 foot longer than double the width. So double the width would be 2x. 1 foot longer than that would be plus 1. Now that we have these sides identified, we can go ahead and we can write our equation. Right? We know perimeter is based off of addition. So we're going to add all of our sides together. Right? So we have a width of x, we have a length of 2x plus 1, but then don't forget that this side over here, right, is also x, and that top part is also 2x plus 1. So we're going to make sure we add in those again. Right? And we're told that our perimeter is 44. Right? So then we're going to combine our like terms on our left side. 1x plus 2x plus 1x plus 2x. Right, well, 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. That gives us 6x. And then numbers 1 plus 1 just gives us 2. So we have 6x plus 2 equals 44. Now we're going to get rid of this extra number by subtracting 2 from each side. 6x equals 42. Divide by 6. X equals 7. Right, then we're going to finish this off by answering our original question. Right, so our width is just x, so that's going to be just 7 feet. Our L is 2x plus 1. 2 times 7 plus 1, well, 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15. So then we're going to have 7 feet and 15 feet. Again, if we were to add all of these up, we would get a total perimeter of 44 feet. So we're going to say that our length is 15 feet in this question, and our width is 7 feet.